Hey, and thank you for joining me on this quick review of the Quantified Self OS Notion template. When you duplicate the template, you will find this page, which serves as your main dashboard with all the necessary access points. Firstly, at the top of the page, you have a callout section where you can input today's tracking. This is a filtered view of the daily tracking database, specifically filtered for today. Each day, you will have a new item to fill out. You can input the months and score different aspects of your life. For example, today work was 7.5, life was 8, health was 9, motivation was 7, and relationship was 7.5. You can also use checkboxes to indicate if you exercised, ate healthy, woke up at your desired time, meditated, or took your supplements. You can also track your screen time. Maybe today you spent 78 minutes on your phone. Additionally, you can rate your sleep score and sleep readiness, which were 87 and 89, respectively. Of course, all these properties can change based on what you want to track. However, when you modify these properties in the daily tracking, you also need to ensure that you modify them in the monthly tracking and yearly tracking. Instructions for doing this can be found in the instructions page. Now, on the right side, you have a snapshot of your time spent on a yearly basis. Here is the data for 2022. I spent 10% of my time working, 20% on life, 5% on relationships, and 55% on sleep. Please note that this is demo data, so it should not be taken as accurate. This is a great way to visualize how your time is spent. And here, you can also view your weekly calendar. This feature is available whether you have set up the Google Calendar to Notion automation or not. It displays your events from Google Calendar or Notion, including the event name, time, event link, and confirmation status. Here, we have our yearly and monthly tracking. Once everything is set up, there is no need for you to take any further action. All the data is automatically retrieved from the daily tracking database. The yearly data is aggregated from the monthly data, and the monthly data is aggregated based on the inputs you provide in your daily tracking. In this database, you can also find all your daily tracking. The latest events will always be at the top. The database at the top is the same as the one below, but it is filtered to show only events from today. And for the last part of this dashboard, you can find a larger version of your calendar that displays events on a monthly basis. Additionally, you can view all your events in a table sorted from newest to oldest, as well as see any canceled events. So, that's all for the main dashboard. You can access the databases page to retrieve all of these databases. There, you will find daily tracking, monthly tracking, and yearly tracking. For the time tracking databases, the days, time spent database is where your events from Google Calendar are imported. However, if you prefer not to automate this process, you can simply use Notion's calendar to schedule your weeks and months. The category of each event is determined by the hashtag used. For example, hashtag R is for relationships, hashtag H is for health, hashtag L is for life, hashtag S is for sleep, and hashtag W is for work. You can customize these tags if needed, and instructions on how to do so are provided. Based on the days, time spent database, the monthly data presented here is aggregated and automatically calculated. You don't have to take any action in this section, nor in the year's database. To get started, you only need to set up the necessary databases to track your desired information and create the desired categories for time tracking. Detailed instructions for each step are provided here. The General Information section contains valuable information about the template and how to use the databases effectively. Additionally, there are instructions for automating the calendar using the Make.com automation app. An important section covers how to add, modify, or delete metrics, allowing you to customize your tracking preferences. Lastly, there are quick instructions on how to modify decimal settings for each property. These instruction pages cover a lot of information, but they will greatly assist you in setting up the template. That's it for the quick review of the Quantified Self OS Notion template. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. Thanks for watching and have an awesome Notion day.